I am Akshaya from grade 11. Now I am going to explain about properties of kites. A quadrilateral with two sides that are adjacent to each other. When unequal sides meet, two angles are equal. It can be viewed as a pair of concurrent triangles with a common base. It has two diagonals that are intersect each other at right angle. Area of kite is 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. d1 represent smaller diagonals, d2 represent larger diagonals. In kite, diagonals are not equal. Thank you.
Namaste to Namadran grade 9. From grade 9, now I going to explain the pi finder. Here all of you know the value of pi. Now I going to explain the value of pi. First to take the radius. Radius is 2.5. When we rolling, we get 15.7. 15.7 is a circumference, and the diameter. Then diameter is 2.5. We converted into diameter into 2. Then 2 means it's 5. Then apply the by value. By is equal to c by d. C is a circumference and d is a diameter. Then divide, we get 13.14. This by value. Then the symbol of pi is invented by one of the greatest mathematician in British, William Johnson in 1706. Thank you.
Yes, sir, I am Ruben from grade 8. Now I prepared the day of any date. If you say any date, I can say the date. Sir.
Date.
Yes,
Day.
sir.
Okay. So February 20.
February 20.
Year. 1993.
1993. Or Saturday.
Interesting.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Yakshida from 1B. My name is Takshit Rubam from 1C. My topic is subtraction. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Also 2. Answer is 2. Thank you.
Good job.
Namaste, sir. My name is Sivadashini. I'm 1C. I am 1B. My topic is before and after number. Topic is before and after number. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 1 before number is 0. 2 before number is 1. 3 before number is 2. 4 before number is 3. 5 before number is 4. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Fazil Imran, studying 50A section.
My name is Priya, studying
Today we are going to explain about pie chart. A pie chart is a type of graph representing data in a circular form.
size of the circle representing a fraction of part of the whole.
All slices of the pie is added up to make a 100% and 360 degree.
The pie chart is also known as a circle chart.
It contains different segments and sectors in which each segment and sectors of the pie chart is forms specific portion of the total percentage.
The sum of all the data is equal to 50.
The value of pi is always 100%. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. My name is N.K. Dhanesya. I am studying grade 3rd C. Now I am going to explain about abacus in the subtraction model. Sir, did you take any course? Course, sir. $56. 6 in a ones place, 5 in a tens place. You have to put 6 beats in a ones place.
Next number is 5. You have to put 5 beads in a 5 tens place.
The divided part is called denominator. The equal parts is taken is called the numerator. This is one whole. I separate into 3 parts. This is shaded, this is unshaded. The shaded fraction is 2 by 3. The unshaded fraction is 1 by 3.